Okay, we're gonna try. I tried to do a crop in Kdenlive, and it didn't turn out exactly like I wanted it to. I'll give you an example here. Um, I have this background video, and let's close that. It's 19 minutes, so I cropped it. And I didn't check, and they just ran it. It took quite a while. It's 19 minutes long. I had a green screen project where I was going to have this as the background. Well, of course, this black border, 'cause I use the left justify, right justify, top and bottom crop justify, and that's not what you want to do. Okay, so that's not acceptable. So let me just show you how I figured out to do this. So let's make this let's make it functional. How about a 30-second test? We'll shorten it just to show you how it works. Well, what I found out is you must use a transform. I guess transform the size of your picture, I guess is their logic. I'm not sure. Um, got it. I saved it under my favorites. So here's a great old transform. Now, when you click on this, I should be able to see the properties. There it is. And what I found is 100% is what you're seeing with the black. So I tried doing it less and it got worse. So let's put this size at 120. This is just a simple demo. That's all it is. Okay, so now you see if I put this back in the center of where my view is, you can see I can get to the black edges, but I don't want that. Yeah, that looks pretty good. So say I did all my, this is strictly a background video, so I don't need titles, I don't need squat. So let's try to render this, see what happens. I'm going to call it transform. I hate how small they got the print on this, it's kind of weird. And it's MP4. That's all I use. And you can see I got 16 threads now because I built up a new PC. My 8+ year old FX 8350, which was 8 core, 8 thread. And now I have a Ryzen 7 2700, 8 core, 16 thread. It's more than twice as fast as the other one. It's the CPU only peaks at 4 gigahertz. It's not as fast that way, but they're double the threads. So okay, so let's see what we got here. We got like a 30-second video. Let's see how long it takes. It's gonna probably take forever because we're say yes. Okay, it came back with about a minute 20. Let's see what it takes. So it's doing it. when you mess with the way this transform works, which is you're blowing it up instead of chopping it out. Same difference, I guess. So we're down to 20 seconds. So you take if I would have done the full 20, almost 20 minute, it'd be 40 minutes to render this thing. It's pretty intensive. Okay, it said it took a minute and 4 seconds. About double. Okay, cool. Remove the job, clean it up, close it. And we'll do this. We'll just get rid of this. Remove that. Remove, delete the clip. We'll shut that down. Save changes, no. Okay. Here is the original with the black border. And in the background here, there's somebody in a boat or a jet ski or something. You can't even tell, they're so far back on the horizon. Just a little speck. Okay, now let's look at the transformed version. There's that little speck. Can't quite tell what it is. But we got rid of the black borders. So now if I use this as a green screen backup, it'll all be cool. It's just a little, I guess it's semantics, whatever Kdenlive people want to call it, that's what it is. Okay, that's cool. I just thought I'd do a little update on that. I'm going to shut this down. Don't use crop unless you want black marks or you're doing it differently. And maybe I got to read more about the crop.